Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use away message in WhatsApp Business. If you are using WhatsApp Business and you want to use away message, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to open your WhatsApp Business app, open it, and here just go for Tools in the bottom right corner. And here you just have to look for away message, just tap on it. And first of all, you have to enable the settings, just tap on it and it will enable. And here your away message, you must have to tap on the pencil icon to edit it. And here you can easily edit it in which way you want. And I'm going to enter, let's say this one, just enter that. And here just tap on OK and then tap on save. So in this way your away message has been set. Now whenever a person will message you, so it will automatically reply. Here's the description, which is reply automatically when you are away. So that's how you can easily use away message in your WhatsApp Business. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.